Here I am going to explain instrumentation and working of mass spectrometer. So this is the instrumentation of EIMS, electron impact mass spectrometer. So this is single focusing type mass spectrometer. In the instrumentation of this spectrometer, we have 5 slits: slit A, slit B, slit C, slit D, and slit E. After slit E, we have recorder, then amplifier, and then a detector, amplifier, and then recorder. Between slit A and slit B, there is sample vaporization chamber where we have heating coils. Between slit B and slit C, there is ionization chamber where electron gun and electron collectors are present. Between slit C and slit D, this is ion acceleration chamber. Here, electrodes of different potentials are present. Between slit D and slit E, this is here we have mass analyzer, in which we have a magnet in single focusing type spectrometer, and in double focusing type spectrometer we have some electrodes with magnet for generating electric field as well as magnetic field. So in the working of this mass spectrometer, here the sample is injected through the slit A. When sample comes in the sample vaporization chamber, heating coil will increase the temperature and convert the solid or liquid sample into vaporized form. For gaseous sample, we don't need to vaporize them. After that, this vaporized sample is passed through slit B and enters in the ionization chamber, where electron gun will bombard some electrons on the sample with the potential of 70 electron volt. Extra electrons will be collected by the electron collectors. After the bombardment of electrons, the sample get ionized and it will then fragmented into its fragment ions. When sampled, when these fragmented ions passes through slit D, it enters in the ion acceleration chamber where we have electrodes of different potential. In the right side of slit C, we have electrode with positive charge. After that, there will be a negative electrode and then more negative. These negative electrodes will attract the fragmented positive ions towards them and increase their velocity. When they pass through the ion acceleration chamber, they will pass through the slit D and enters in the mass analyzer, where magnet is magnet generates magnetic field. In double focusing type, here we have some electrodes with magnet. In single focusing type, only magnet is present, which generates magnetic field. When it generates magnetic field, the path of these fragmented ions deflects and they travel through the different paths according to their mass. According to their mass, they gets collected by collector slit and then passes to the detector, then amplifier, and then recorder will record them and produce a spectra between percent intensity on y-axis and mass to charge ratio on x-axis.